Welcome back to Michigan Muscle. I am finally swapping a drivetrain into my 240,000 mile Chrysler 300. I originally really wanted to get a Hellcat, but as you guys know, Hellcats get stolen left and right. So unfortunately, I was only able to come up with a Scatpack. Now, I wasn't here for the delivery of the car, but this is pretty much my first time walking around it and really checking it out. I've left everything in the back seat of the car, but from what I'm able to tell so far, you guys are gonna see also, this car is just in amazing shape given like the price that I got it for, which by the way, none of you are gonna guess. So go ahead and try down in the comments below. All right, so starting at the back of the car, it looks like somebody hit it probably pretty hard. I'm guessing, looks like either a cop car or something else. And I'm only saying cop car because this is a drug seizure car. So you guys know the auction I bought it from said it was drug seized. The interior is all cut up that you'll see pretty soon, but looks like somebody was running, somebody rear-ended them, and then what they do is to search the car, they pull off all of the like affected components. So the side taillights are pulled off, the rear bumper is pulled off. I'm guessing it was taken for evidence or similar, I don't know, but it's not in the car. So pretty hard hit back there. It doesn't look like any of the sensors are broken that I'm gonna need for the 300. These all look like they're in good shape. There's an antenna hanging down here, but again, doesn't look broken. Bunch of plastics. And all the sensors look like they're intact. Everything over here is all intact too. This does not look good. So the guy actually told me, with the guy that unloaded it for me, I wasn't here, but the battery that came in the car, which I'm guessing is this one, was just completely shot. Wouldn't even crank, jump to another car. So they put one out of another car in here, obviously that's what this is, and got it to start, but this fuse box is just completely mangled. I mean, even these wires look like they're cut up from the accident. That's, yeah, look at that, that's terrible. So that'll for sure have to get replaced. I don't know what all of this is. It looks like inner trunk liner, maybe? Oh yeah, so that's the liner of the trunk on both sides. Sound dampening, looks like. Total frame damage, look at this. Look at how bent up that is. And actually look at it separated here too. It's all structural. I don't know what was back here, but I'm sure Google will tell us. Actually on this side too. Taillights maybe? Access for the taillights are what these are, I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm sure somebody in the comments will say. So what I'm hoping is that a lot of this stuff is salvageable and I can part out what body panels are actually good to make up for my costs that I've got into it. And then essentially it's gonna be pretty much a free swap. That's what I'm hoping, fingers crossed though. All the wheels look pretty good. Brakes look good. So far, I mean, everything looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't know, there's just a bunch of junk back here, but check out the interior. I've already looked at the mileage, but this thing's got 14,000 miles on it. Oops. $14,500 miles. So super low mileage, all the leather's in really good shape like you'd expect in a 14,000 mile car. Seats are all in pretty good shape. It could use definitely some cleaning, but like what's really cool is this book was in the center console that looks like it's all of the original documentation in the plastic, window sticker, everything, which is pretty sweet. This is what I was talking about for the drug seizure. So the glove compartment's totally gone. The carpet is cut back up here. All the trim along the side is missing, which maybe there's some of it back there, but this is kind of what happens like when they get these drug seizure cars is they just get ripped apart. There's a GT3 RS back there that the exact same thing happened to, and the front of the car was torn apart. It was missing a bunch of things, and that's just comes with the territory. So let's see what we've got back here. Looks like a lot of, oh, there's the glove box actually. Okay, looks like a bunch of junk. Oh, taillights. That's pretty good. Those are worth something. I wonder if the other one's in here too. Another floor mat. Garbage bag. It's the missing trim. Oh, the center console organizer. And this looks like the back of the trunk space. So super dirty. This definitely needs to be cleaned, but overall, I mean, everything looks like it's here. So go to the front of the car, jump level 2. The car did not want to start like we said, but I don't know what the runs hot when idle is. I haven't gotten it hot enough to be a problem idling, but we'll find out, I'm sure. So wheels, this wheel's got a little bit of curb to it, but I don't know if I'll even keep those for the 300 swap, maybe, but for now they're good. Headlights are intact, which again, those will be saleable. It looks like you hit something up here, not sure what. But engine looks like it's in good shape. It's filthy. Yeah, assuming it's got oil. This thing just needs a wash in general. Absolutely filthy. This headlight's intact. This feels a little scuffed up, but everything's here. This is it. So now I think the next step, if Carolina, you agree, I think we take it outside and do a burnout with it, just to make sure it works. Sounds okay.
Let her rip.
Sounds good enough. All right, so apparently if this gets pulled, the engine shuts off. So I gotta tuck this tab back in for the neutral safety. This is how they steal the cars, by the way. All you do is pull this and the car rolls. Literally unlocks everything. Steering, shifter, you just roll it away. So I need to tuck this back into that little tab there. All right. Sounds good. So, did not intend this at all, but the car actually has line lock, which is, Carolina, if you didn't know, it's burnout mode. Look at this. I've never owned a Mopar like this before, a Charger, whatever, but so many more cool features than like the GM stuff. Race options, activate line lock, and then it's just basically let her eat. Apply brake pressure, put it in gear. Oh, I can't get all the brake pressure. That's weird. Okay, maybe we have another problem.
Does it tell you how to do it too, like a child?
To launch brake, press brake and quickly apply the throttle. Watch out.
Oh, probably helps if I move right. Smells good.
I think we're breaking it in.
Did you have to use burnout mode or no?
No, no.
Ah. Hold on.
Should we do one more?
Yeah.
These tires, it's at 23 and 25 PSI. I think they're like, well, are they 20? Okay, so I think we've debunked the myth. This car doesn't overheat. We've done burnouts with it. It's been sitting here idling. We've beat the crap out of it, including Carolina has beat the crap out of it. And it's not overheating. So I don't know who put that on the side of the car or what led them to believe that it's overheating. Yeah, you heard Carolina, or not. But yeah, this is pretty solid. So I think we're gonna be in really good shape for this swap. That is it for today, guys. You got the introduction to the swap for the 300. I think it's a pretty proven drivetrain with 14,000 miles, and Carolina can do burnouts in it. So I don't know what's better than that. But in the coming episodes, you guys are gonna see me tear this thing apart. And I've seen a lot of people on YouTube do the swaps, and I don't really see a ton of information. Maybe I'm watching the wrong videos, but I wanna show a really in-depth tutorial on how to actually do the complete swap, how long it takes, what my costs are, everything. And yeah, any modifications or suggestions you guys have, comment down below and we'll get rolling. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.